Hey, what's going on, everyone? Zachary Jensen here, managing partner at TaxWise Financial Services, where we empower small business owners with tailored tax strategies to reduce taxes on business and real estate investments, driving growth and financial success. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that is near and dear to my heart: acquiring businesses when you have a W 2 job. If you're working a W 2 job and you're looking to buy a small business, you're already on a smart path. You're looking to maintain your salary, keep your spending where it's at, and then hopefully be using those funds that the new business offers to grow it, especially in the first year or two when cash flow might be tight because of debt service and you're trying to build up working capital. So, keeping your day job helps you manage risks and keep cash flowing. So that way you can keep investing and growing in your new business. And here's some even better news: buying a business while working means you can tap into some major tax deductions that can lower your taxable income. We're going to go over the top three of them that you can use as soon as you buy your business. So, the first one is more general, it's around business expense deductions. When you own a business, the IRS lets you deduct ordinary and necessary expenses that are tied to running that business. Now, ordinary and necessary, that is always a fun term because it leads to all sorts of creative expensing. And when we at TaxWise are looking at a business, we're thinking, what sort of expenses are these people taking already in their daily lives that are really more business expenses that should be going on the company? So this includes everything like office supplies and equipment and traveling for meetings, but also meals and kind of business meals, as you would say, mileage, any sort of capex, right? Equipment, as we mentioned earlier. All these costs help lower the total amount of income that gets taxed. So when you're working at your day job and investing in your business, these deductions are like a secret weapon because usually the people buying these businesses have high W 2s. So the second one is more commonly known as the home and office deduction. If you have a dedicated space at home where you manage your business, like an office space or even a specific room like a guest bedroom, you can claim part of your home as a deduction. And that is including everything like electricity, rent, even a portion of your internal internet costs. So to qualify, you just need to use that space exclusively for business. And this is a great way to bring down your tax bill and keep more of what you earn, whether it's from your job or your business. And then finally, we have depreciation on business assets. This is the big one. This is the one that actually might create a loss on your tax return, which could offset your W 2 income. That's right. You could actually end up earning quote unquote less on paper and actually taking home more income and getting a refund from your W 2 earnings. So when you buy a business, certain things like equipment, furniture, vehicles that qualify for depreciation can get spread out over several years. We can accelerate all that depreciation into year one and create paper losses. And that reduces your taxable income on paper, even though the money was spent up front. So this can offset your taxes, and like I mentioned earlier, maybe even create a loss. I mean, you could write off your expenses and your depreciation and actually end up with a negative on your tax return, which can offset your W 2 income because that is considered your active income. So, really, really powerful stuff. Paying to buy a business and using all the methods we just outlined are a great way to save on taxes. And especially if you're entrepreneurial and you're looking to take the leap but have that W 2 job still for kind of that additional security, these are some things you got to think about when coming to the tax season. So, really appreciate your time today. Again, I'm Zachary Jensen. Really appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye bye.